Okay, so just did our makeup. I just did my makeup and I'm getting ready to, hold on a second. Okay, so I just did my makeup and I'm getting ready to try on this outfit that I got from JLux Label. Now I love JLux, like that is my go-to when it comes to styling and just the kind of clothes and the aesthetic that I like to go for. So I think their outfits, their clothes are so nice, so comfortable. They fit me very nicely, and so I'm excited because I got these on sale, which is really cool too. I can't wear them all the time because of my current lifestyle. However, actually I can wear them all the time because of my lifestyle, but also too, like where I'm at currently, yeah, I can't wear them all the time, but I look forward to wearing them all the time. Anyways, we're gonna try out an outfit that I got from JLux, which I'm super excited about. But before I do that, I did my makeup. I didn't do a video on this because we still learning, child. We still trying to get it together. But I got these really nice lipsticks from Sephora. They're called like drip glass drenched, like high pigment lip glosses. I don't know if you can like see it. Yeah. So I have two. So I like to do ombre, but I got this one in Naked Dip and then this one in Cocoa Melt, this color in Cocoa Melt, which I absolutely love. So I'm just gonna do this really quickly. I'm just gonna gloss up my lip. Cool, I want a little gloss before we get started, you know what I mean? Okay. Oh, darn it. Just fix this real quick and then we can go. Okay. That's good enough, we good. Okay, perfect. I need to revive these braids, but I got these done in Nigeria. They're kind of running its last legs. So we're gonna do another hair video soon. But yeah, let me go ahead and get the JLux outfits so you can check them out. Excited. Okay, so here we are, JLux, super excited. I have a few items, but what I'm gonna try on is the one piece and the jacket, because I think they go together real nice. So we're gonna do the one piece, the jacket, and then some of the jewelry that I got, and I'm gonna show you the final look, okay? Okay, so the first outfit I'm gonna show you, I'm just gonna pull it out, just pull it out the bag, is the black Jonah wool coat. This is in a large, extra large. I kind of feel like, I don't know, it might be a little bit too big, but I don't know, we'll try. I like oversized coats, but in the weather I'm currently in, a wool coat is like perfect. So this is the black Jonah wool coat, and I'm gonna put it on so you can see the detail. The second outfit that I got that I'm gonna show you now is the black Alo Double Layer Jumpsuit. Now, listen, this is interesting. I'm not a big jumpsuit person, but when I saw this online, I said, oh yeah, I gotta get it because it's very cute and I'm sure it'll be cute on. So the black Alo Double Jumpsuit, I think double layer, yeah, double layer jumpsuit. And I'll put the description in the box, but super cute as well. So I'm gonna try this on. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on and then let's see what the final verdict is. So the jumpsuit's not bad. It's not something I would normally go for, but I do think it's cute. I think it's nice if I'm gonna run errands or if I'm, you know, just, I don't know, if I'm yeah, running errands or just lounging. It's a really cute jumpsuit, so definitely gonna keep it. And it's comfortable too. It's comfortable. I think the double layer does like, I think it makes it comfortable. It makes it feel, it feels very quality, that's for sure. It has a nice quality feel. It doesn't feel super thin. And it doesn't feel like it's gonna tear easily as well, which I love. So yeah, it's a very nicely made for sure. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the jacket on because this is how I kind of envisioned it when I bought it. Jacket. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, this is cute. It kind of looks like a robe. I don't know, I like it. I think once you throw on like the sneakers or with your heels or whatever shoes you're gonna wear with it, it'll just make it snap. Definitely like really nice jewelry too, which I like. So I got the gold Arcello hinge bracelet. I don't know if you can see that. And super excited about this. Love, love, love. Look at that. Ooh. Glisten. Just glisten. And we got the gold Alo mini.
All right, y'all, here is the final look. I absolutely love these JLux pieces. They are truly high quality, high value, great buys. If you like the look, I highly recommend. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys soon.
And I'm gonna put this on. Ooh, 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 yeah. Okay. And then I'm gonna throw on my sneakers. 10.
All right, y'all, and here is the final look. I absolutely love these pieces. JLux definitely gives quality, and you definitely get a lot of value for what you're getting. I also dressed this up in a jean jacket, which was really cute as well. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know your thoughts below if you would get any of these pieces from JLux. And yeah, I will see you all next week.